A new book just became available on Amazon, which teaches Latin naturally through comprehensible input. It was written using cognates so that even an absolute beginner can pick up the book and start reading, making learning much easier and more intuitive. And whenever you come across a new word that's not immediately obvious, a picture or context clue will help you understand it. No dictionary is required. The goal is for you to stay immersed in the story and learn the language organically. Let's take a look at the first chapter as an example. Familia Juliorum est familia Romana. Familia habet matrem, patrem, filium et filiam. Mater vocatur Lucia, pater vocatur Martinus, filius vocatur Ericus, filia vocatur Claudia. Lucia est musica, et scribit musicam. Martinus est magister, in schola laborat. Ericus est discipulus, et Claudia quoque est discipula. Familia habet canem, canis vocatur Maximus. Maximus est plenus energiae. Familia quoque habet felem. Feles vocatur Bella. Bella est elegans et mystica. And after each chapter, there are also comprehension questions and explications of certain aspects of grammar. So go check it out.